In this video, I'll show you how to highlight text in Canva. Open your Canva project. So this is my Canva project. Let's say I want to highlight this portion of my text. So select the portion you want to highlight, and now you can do two things. First, change the color of the highlighted part. Let's say this one is my highlighted portion. So select it or make it with a different color other than the normal or other part of the text. Let's say I want to make this part as this color or this text. So this is one method. You can just select the portion you want to highlight and you want to make another thing. Let's say I want to make it bold. So this way you can highlight the text or the portion of a text if you want to highlight it. Another way you can make the highlights of the text. So this way, let's say I want to highlight this portion. So first go to element and select shape, search shape, and now select rectangular shape. Let's say this shape or rectangular rounded shape. You can search on rectangle rounded, rounded. And these are the rounded rectangle shape. You can use any of them. Let's say I want to add this one. So I want to keep it this portion, let's say, and now the adjust the size of your rectangular shape. Just select here, select position, layers, and now keep this back of your text, and you will see the shape is here. Adjust the shape, change the color of the shape. Let's say I want to make this shape color as this color. Now make it clear. So this way you can adjust any of the portion or highlight any of your portion of the text. This is another way you can highlight text in Canva. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw the comment below. I will read and reply your comment.